Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I have for you guys today is a mystery bag from Ofra Cosmetics. Guys, I've been so into like mystery bags and mystery boxes and new subscription services. It's crazy. So this is actually the Perfecting Beauty mystery bag. And I was able to get a discount, so I got $7 off with code SAVE20. Cosmetics is amazing. They have amazing products. I love their company. I decided to get it and share with you guys. All right, so first thing in here is a banana powder. And of course, Ofra packaging is always beautiful with a little mirror. And there's your little banana powder. Banana powder is really good. Next thing in here is a full-size Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. I already have this highlighter. So either it's going in a giveaway. Full size, guys. That's a freaking beautiful highlight. Rodeo Drive is a beautiful highlight. The next thing is a makeup fixer. Look at this. And this is a light refreshing mist that keeps makeup in place all day long. I have a few of these. Another one to add to my collection would be nice. Not of the same one, different kinds. Ooh, we got a lippy in here. We got an Ofra long lasting liquid lipstick in Daytona Beach. Oh my God, that color looks amazing. Oh my God, it's like a true coral color. Look at that. Guys, these swatches are from like something else. I still haven't been able to take them off. Look how gorgeous that color is. Oh my God, I love it. And last but not least, Ofra Cleanse It Off lip wipes. You love your glam, but you also love taking it off. I'm gonna try this right now on those swatches. It says lip wipes, but I imagine it must take these swatches off. Well, yeah, it worked pretty well. It took one of them off. It definitely worked pretty well. Look, guys. Awesome. And now let's check the lippy. Whoa, literally like one swipe and it took most of it off. These are good. I am gonna definitely like these wipes. All right, guys, so in this little mystery bag, we got these wipes, we got a lippy, we got a full-size Rodeo Drive highlighter, we got a banana powder, and we got a makeup fixer. Definitely worth the price. I would definitely get another one of these mystery bags. And the best part is that they include this huge, amazing mystery, and a little couple of samples of hand sanitizer. The best part is that they include this huge makeup bag. Like, you could take this, so many things fit in here. Like, this is great. I really, really like this, guys. So I'll leave the link down below. You know, you can use code SAVE20. Hopefully it'll still work for you guys for, I believe it's 20% off of the bag. Yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think. I love sharing all these things with you guys. All right, my loves, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, my loves.